There are few reasons why we do a certain few things when we pray. First, we sit straight. We sit straight because when we sit straight, our respiratory system is in straight line and not bending or slouching. It's not having a curve for the air to pass through. When you sit straight and breathe deep, it goes straight inside your lungs and comes out. It doesn't need to take a twist and turn. When you breathe in straight, the lung capacity is increased as compared to slouching and breathing. That is why you're always asked to sit straight so the lungs are functioning to the maximum capacity. When you are saying a prayer, the prayer is nothing but praises to the God, and when said in a certain way, they have certain vibrations. Those vibrations are good for our body. When those vibrations happen, they do the job of enriching our entire system. When you breathe in deep, your entire body is filled with oxygen. And if your lungs have done their entire duty of maximum inhalation, they send better quality and more oxygen throughout your body. And when these prayer vibrations happen through your body, the oxygen actually takes the entire prayer vibration, and that's why your entire body feels good and rejuvenated during a good round of prayer. Prayers are not for God. They are ultimately in the praise of God. But does God really need it? God is the person who has everything. We don't need to give anything to God. हम कोई है ही नहीं. हम भगवान के सामने तुच्छ हैं. You are very minuscule in front of God. But look at the simple things that God has passed on to us. Sensibility to understand a lot of things. Correct? And when we are praying, He is saying that even if you are going to think of me, or your parents, or your grandparents, or your guru, no matter whether you're going to think of me, or people, or nature, sit straight, breathe deep, and say the prayer slowly and steadily. Only then it is going to be doing the effect for which you're actually saying the prayer. And when we are saying, bow your head to the Almighty, we mean that we are completely letting ourselves in front of that person who has created this entire world, because that wasn't in our hands. He created this world. He created humans, animals, birds, trees, water that you see around. When you believe that somebody created all these things, you start to believe it is a superpower. And you bow and say thank you to that superpower who created everything around us. On that note, rub your palms. Sit straight, don't forget that. Rub your palms. Generate that energy, that warmth, and place it on your eyes such that the base of your palm is resting on your cheekbones. Think of that one thing you want to achieve, that one thing you feel defines you. Think of what you did yesterday to reach one step closer to this goal of yours.
I did.
Either read a book or practiced it or learned something about the champions of this field or just tried and tested something yourself. If you haven't done something yesterday, then today is the day. Gradually, the darkness will fade. Gently remove your hands. Slowly open your eyes and take a deep breath. And let's greet.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning. Good, very, very, very good morning.